Alright, today we're going to show you how to change a stock carburetor from an L16 Datsun 510 into a modern Weber 3236 with the cable instead of using the linkage that's on the car. So I'm going to show you that in this video. So it should be an easy process. I researched everything and I bought all the parts, so it should be an easy 30-minute job to do, well, plus the cleaning stuff and whatever we break along the way. But I think my father took everything apart and cleaned up everything, so everything should come off very easy. As you know, that the car started before during Halloween, October 1st, and uploaded on the 3rd. So now we're going to be converting this to a more modern carburetor, to a Weber 3236. So stay tuned. Alright, we got the Weber, started setting it up inside, you know, mock setup, your cable, springs, gasket, plastic, bracket, more miscellaneous accessories, this and this. I think that's about it. Oh, and a little washer locker one. I forgot what that's called. What that's called right now. I go with the terminology. All I know is it holds everything together. Okay. All right, that's what you're looking at right now. We got the brand new carburetor, the Weber. It's gonna go on the little Datsun up there, right there. Gonna be converting that into a modern carburetor. Let's take out that glass carburetor from the 70s. Still reliable, still good. So right now we are going to get some tools to get this beautiful brand new carburetor onto this car, this Datsun 510. So it should run more better, smoother, and more modern. All right, so we're back. Got all the tools ready. I believe I should be able to do this real quick. I'm going to see, let's see what I'm gonna take off. I think I should take off the carb first, disconnect the carb, and then I'll take out the intake. I think that'll be the most logical choice. Linkage is pretty easy to remember. It's just a bar that holds this in place. These are connectors. They disconnect here for the what the hell are these called? The idle solenoid cutoff switch to prevent it from dieseling, from what I learned. So not too much here, so I'm gonna speed up the process and give you a time lapse. So I don't have a steady support on this stand, so it's gonna be a little shaky. So let's see what we can do here. Doing these videos quick, by the way, folks. Don't want to bore you. All right. All right. Welcome back. As you see, took off the intake and carburetor. Not too hard. Only thing I should have done different was drain the fluid first, so I wouldn't have a spill, and save the fluid at least a little bit. But it spilled maybe like half a bottle, so it's okay. But I really wanted to save it, so now right now, at least she's okay. As you can see, she's clean. So now we're just dripping from the ports here. So now what we're gonna do is try to clean out the intake real quick, put everything back on, and put the new Weber 3236 on here, and then we'll play around with the linkage after that. So this is what it is. You're seeing all the angle. Nothing no surprises, nothing dirty. We always keep our cars clean and original. All right, coming right back. I'm gonna go and clean this intake. Not that dirty, but it needs a little touch up, so I'll be right back. All right, so we're still here. It took a little longer than expected, but you know, I like to look at everything in detail, see what is wrong, what is dirty, what shouldn't be, what should be, the torque specs, you know, everything else. So I checked everything out. I cleaned up all the ports, made sure they're nice and clean, no carbon built up, stuck my fingers in there, you know. So it took me a while to check everything out real good. So everything is clean. I gave it like a light paint, so there's no rust, and it wasn't rusty because my father cleaned this and took this apart before he took everything off, as you saw in the old video. So everything's all nice and clean. I'm just trying to maintain it, you know, like every car enthusiast should, no matter what grade or education you are, because you know, this is your baby, your car, your investment. So you shouldn't really treat it like a workhorse or a truck. You know, the 70s are over. This is the 21st century. So we keep it nice and clean. So have the intake over here. Make sure I don't step on that carb. See, all clean. Oh. So we're going to be putting that on. So we're going to be putting that on right now. I'm just going to put this in a time lapse so we don't waste time. I'm not going to show you too much of the detail because again, trying to make these videos as short as possible. So that's where I am at the moment. So I'm just keeping this maintained and alive. All right, see you later. And time lapse.